Oh, look at that. One of my favorite cars. Today we have in a 991 Gen 1 Porsche GT3 RS. The customer has opted for an uprated exhaust system to swap out the standard filters for a set of high flow ones and to tie it all in with a GCAP Stage 1 DME tune. Our tune is globally renowned on these vehicles as it's featured in many Porsche publications such as GT Porsche Magazine and 911 Porsche World. The parts have just turned up, so let's take a closer look at them. So once again, our good friends at QuickSilver have hooked us up. This time we've gone for a set of side muffler deletes. These are stainless steel. They're valved, meaning the customer retains full control of the system, so they have loud and quiet settings, and these will save over £30 over the stock system. In terms of the air filters, we've gone for a set of high flow K&Ns. These will allow more air into the system, which aids performance. So let's get these fitted to the car. Final nut to come off, and then this should wiggle off. Now let me explain why we do this. So we have both systems side by side now. We have the OE side muffler and then the QuickSilver bypass pipe. The first and most obvious reason why we change these is the size and weight. As you can see, this is enormous compared to the QuickSilver pipe, and this is very, very heavy. Now the RS, whether it's a 3 or a 2, the whole point of them is that they're a road-going track car. So by us shedding this weight, we're just aiding to that design. And then the most important reason why we change these and we go for this system is to do with the distance the air travels. So with the valves open, both systems act very similar. The air will come in from the catalytic converter and then come straight out here. There is a small opening in there. The QuickSilver system, valve open, air in, air out, and it relies on the back box to do all the sound deadening. If the valve is shut, then the air will come in and out. The OE system, this is where things go different. The air will come in from the catalytic converter. It will then be forced up into the OE side muffler. It will circulate around here where there's baffles and sound deadening to quiet down the volume. It will then come out through this small pipe here and into the back box. So with this system, we're reducing all this air travel by having the air come in and straight out. Let's come and take a look while the OE back box remains in place. So this blue tinge here indicates that this is actually titanium. This specific back box is used in the Carrera Cup race cars, meaning if it's good enough for motorsport, then it's certainly good enough for the road. We gain nothing by swapping out this system for an aftermarket one, bar the increase in volume. By swapping out the side mufflers, not only do we increase the volume, but we also change the pitch and tone of the exhaust note. We get a deeper, rougher sound. This system also has baffles inside, which stops squealing at 9,000 RPM. So by leaving this system and the side mufflers, we do not upset the harmonics. So this is the perfect setup. you'll all agree the car sounds absolutely fantastic. We love it. Our tuners also bumped the power to 530 brake horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque, so it's finished this package off nicely. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and if you'd like to follow our daily updates, please follow us on Instagram. It's GCAP_performance, and we'll catch you on the next video.